Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your cat trainer app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, and just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here you're looking for cat trainer app, or just click here on search. So then here add cat trainer, you just add it here, then it's going to show for you in this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here, cat trainer. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking